Hey everyone! In this part of the tutorial, I'm going to explain how to play music through your mic on Roblox using a virtual audio cable. This method lets your microphone input send music instead of your real voice, so people in Roblox voice chat can hear whatever you're playing. To make this work, you need a tool like VP Cable installed on your PC. Once you've got it installed, don't open Roblox yet. First, set up the virtual audio cable on Windows. Start by opening the VB Audio control panel. Then go to the Windows search bar and type Sound Control Panel. Open it. Inside the Playback tab, select the virtual cable as your active playback device. Confirm by clicking OK. Then move to the Recording tab and find Cable Output. Select it the same way and hit OK again. At this point, when you play any music or YouTube video, the audio will go into the virtual cable instead of your speakers. To hear what you're playing, click Properties on the cable output, open the Listen to this device, and choose your headphones or speakers from the dropdown. Now, you'll hear everything while still sending the music to Roblox. Once all that is set, open Roblox and go to the Settings menu. Under Input Device, make sure Roblox is using the virtual output. Under Output Device, select your real headphones or speakers. Now your mic will send music into Roblox voice chat and you'll still hear everything normally through your headphones. That's all you need to start playing music to your mic on Roblox.